and danger coexisted, the boxer crab navigated the treacherous waters of existence. It was a creature of paradox, for it appeared both fragile and fierce. Its translucent body shimmered with iridescent hues, like a jewel adrift in the liquid embrace of the ocean, yet, the true horrors of the boxer crab lay hidden beneath its delicate exterior. To survive in a world teeming with predators and dangers, it had developed a peculiar and gruesome strategy. When confronted with a looming threat, the boxer crab would resort to a gruesome act of self-preservation. With astonishing precision, the crab would snip off tiny fragments of the sea anemone's venomous tentacles that adorned its rocky abode. These tentacles